even being mentally challenged, he trekked all the way from Ikpubahi to Uniben just to come out.
Welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. If today is the first time of coming across this girl, this fakes, do well to join this beautiful family. Yes, you see. What if they use money they buy? When I come here, I say for now. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Okay, all my returning, I appreciate you guys. Yes, I'm loyal. If you never subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, this is my channel. They talk about Korea. They knock out Nigeria pidgin English, broken English. Okay, so then I bring this our brother. This story go touch you now. I go love me when I watch little part. Me when I watch the little video for my video, and I feel go straight to the owner channel so that when I go watch full video for there. A lot of things they when I want try choke my mouth. You know, when we will see, mostly with the Africa, when we go see somebody who look dirty for streets, we always criticize that person. If they crazy, if they do this, if they do that. Many people they don't know a lot of China don't they talk about different health issue where you go fit cause somebody, you don't know what to do, you don't know how to dress himself again, you don't know how to control him or herself again. I go love me when I watch this man when he go trek all the way from Obahi, go Unibe, go sit down there. He go fix say he dey class, he dey attend class. Let's watch the man first before we drop our opinion.
This video will make you start seeing things and people differently. I saw this man for over 30 minutes. I was watching him writing very seriously and he was focused writing on his book. So I decided to get close to him to know what he was writing and why he was so serious. I discovered that even being mentally challenged, he trekked all the way from Ikpubahi to Uniben just to come and write. And the reason he does so will shock you.
How are you, my friend? You're fine? Okay. Thank you. Happy Sunday to you too. Okay.
All right, so you could hear me laughing because of the way he greeted me. That was because I was dumbfounded. At first, I was thinking that because he was mad, he wasn't going to say anything that would make sense. But before I even said anything, he greeted me and said, "Happy Sunday." And after talking to him, he even made more sense than I could ever imagine. Please hear him talk.
Are you eating?
No, I'm never eating.
What are you writing?
This is my currency for my bank.
Huh?
The bank is bank.
Okay. Are you staying here?
I'm no longer here, staying here under the video.
Okay. I'm videoing you. Are you okay with it? Okay. So what do you want to eat? Anything I wish? Wow. So are you always here?
I always want to do.
All right, so basically his love for school makes him trek every single day from Ikubahi to this Uniben. Like he basically comes to the front of this university to write. And to him, he is coming to school. He must attend school every single day. This is so amazing, guys. So I wanted to go buy him food, but because he will not leave class for any reason, he wouldn't go with me to go look for the food. So I decided to go look for the food for him by myself.
My people, I hope now hear and now watch the video. Let me call the person name Tay1. That is T-E-Y-1. T-E-Y Tay1. Now her channel I foresee. You guys will fit go her house, go watch her full. My people, the reason why I bring this our brother video come my channel is because you know when Africa, I don't live Africa, then I don't live Europe. When they see somebody like this, dressed like this, it look pattern, they'll always call them names. They always call them winch. They always call them, they always call them all kind of name. But if now abroad, as this man be, he gets, in fact, he gets joy to go school. I don't know what I go talk. He go trek all the way from Obahi to Unibe. Those who they be now go understand the distance between Ikobahi to Unibe just to attend school. Our government, now they see this kind of person. Where una go? In fact, go take care of. I believe say if now abroad this kind of person be, government no live am like that. They go, in fact, they go take care of am. You go even be somebody in the society. They not just live am like that. When they see the joy when he gets to go school, he get as they will take care of am, program am for one thing when you know say he go feed they do. Now here, you now see the handwriting. Una hear when he speak, una hear when he talk. Many of us for Africa, what they call their name. Anything can happen. Maybe too much taking. Now make this man be like this now. Or maybe something shock happened to him. No medical treatment. no medical care. They just abandon. They'll say, nah, you don't take kolo. Or something, maybe na person when just say, let me try those things. When they try to take, e head turn, no treatment. They call her na winza, na krokro. Yes, some people, I don't see some people for this country when me they just say make they test, their head turn, government enter, they go take care of them. But our country, nothing like that. Imagine this kind of man when he get love to go school, who no book, nobody dig there to cater for him, to take, be even say that we get the hospital of when they take care of health, or all those their mental. If you reach there, you go hail. If you reach there, in fact, now double, they go add more upon that their sickness, the maltreat now, in fact. But if you reach this western world, oh, everywhere clean, dress them, in fact, clean, the area clean. I wish our country one day, I know say we still dey third world country, I know, but I can't wait make our country still be like at least second, if not will be first, at least second. I wish so, because this kind man who get love for school, who know left from his right, now just small touch, now they go touch him, he go fall back to himself. He go fall back to himself. But who they there to assist? Maybe family member now, maybe they no get, or those people no still care. Some family member, they don't care once they don't start to they get children. Some, they'll say, I don't care. Now my family, but you forget say now the same blood you and this person be. Now the same breast now na suck. Now the same womb now na day. Before you start your own, before you can't get your children. May God forbid something happen, they go still need all those your sisters, your siblings. Now say you not concern you again. Some, not all. I don't start my children. I don't start my own family. But you forget your family, your first family before your. I just talk no general, because this kind of a man, he get family. Imagine a better car or he rich, you'll see family surround him. Or maybe they don't try their best. Not even making this no see face, but if they don't try their best, this kind of person now someone touch, now they will touch and he will come back to his sense. Please, if you know this man and you be one of his family, I will not neglect him like this. It's not good. May we not try, may we not work towards it. Except we not get. I pray, may God, as this our sister, as me sis showcase am for my channel, people when they Benin, when they know this man, when you get, please render help. By render help, you go fit carry and go psychiatric hospital. Yes, may they take care of am, may they treat am. Person when they outside, now just someone no wine, now they go, now just come out. Person when you know say he know he want right. He say he dey school. Say he no want leave his class. Whether our sister say he want buy am food. He say no leave his class. So if na food you want give me, my belly is open to eat it. But for me to leave this my class, I will not leave the class. He was busy writing, busy writing. If you dey out there, you always see everybody when you look dirty as a winch. Please withdraw that your thinking out of your mind. Some people read there, they no book, they no be say book, they no be winch. Condition make them to be that thing. Some people maybe they lost the best thing, their brain just whine out. If they don't see somebody who stand by them, don't finish. Some people maybe take and make their hair twin. Not be everybody when just look dirty. Now they be wizard. If you be that person when you always think that thing, please double take. Clear that your things out of your mind. Okay? You, our sister, when you do this video, when you go buy food for him, may the Almighty God keep protecting you. I know say your channel, it dey about those things. Yes, I believe maybe now your content when you see the crate, but you use your time and you use your money for pocket to take buy this man food. You will never lack. Lack will not be your portion. I pray as we showcase this man, may the helper of God locate him, who will take care of him, change his life. If not, will give him money, at least may he get his sense back. Now my prayer. You, when you showcase her, I pray you will never do the one that will put you in problem. Or, you know, some people, when you try say, and they come, may you help her. Some people will say this and they make money, talk, you go start. Or some people go come, they drag. I pray, may you never fall victim for all those kind of people hand. As you dey try to showcase them on social media, if one person go see am, to get interest to invest or to touch their life, I pray, may the favor of God follow you. May the guidance of God guide you as you dey do this thing, because this work when you dey do so, in fact, I don't know what to talk. The only thing when I'll tell you, keep doing it, keep showcasing them. We don't know who be who when you go see this video, when you go locate this man, so assist him for medical, for treatment, for anything at all. My people, like this one I get to talk. If you never watch that video, head to her house and watch it full. Okay, I'll see you now in my next video. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, my channel name is Naija Daughter TV. I'm a mommy of 2 Nigeria-pidgin. I dey stay for France. I dey knock my talk for here with broken English. I get 2 channel, Esther Family TV. That channel, I dey do vlog. Me and my family, I dey make my daughter hair. I dey do a lot of things. I dey cook for that Esther Family TV. You fit still follow me there. Subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate all my return. If I don't appreciate, now wait till I get this video make you stay dull. Now no, daughter, no, sister. Yes, sometimes it's like that. Okay. See, I see you now in my next video. Do it to give me thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel.
To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, and I go feed the